University Fair of 2023. Today we have universities from all around the world. We have universities from the US, UK, India, New Zealand and Australia. Let's start the University Fair.
I took particular interest in the UK universities where I visited Bristol and Aston University, Birmingham and King's College, London, all of which are universities I plan on applying to for accounting and finance courses.
This was a great opportunity for us as a parent to get complete understanding about what are the specific requirements for each of the universities, colleges, courses, and how do we need to now focus our energies in making sure that the criteria are met. It has also given us great understanding about the colleges which are available, the kind of courses they have been offering, and also the accommodation and cultural aspect as well. Thank you so much for organizing this, because in one shot I am able to connect with many colleges at one single place.